What's the meaning of big gun? Big gun. Big gun.
Big gun. Big gun. The term big gun can be used in both literal and figurative senses. Literally, it refers to a large and powerful firearm or artillery piece, often used in military operations. Figuratively, the term is used to describe someone who holds significant power, influence or expertise in a particular field or industry. It can also refer to a significant investment or financial resource. The term big gun connotes a sense of dominance, control and authority, and is often associated with individuals or entities that possess a sense of superiority or command respect from others.